But when they passed away, obviously the grief hit me very, very strongly in Lebanon. And I didn't want to see anybody. I didn't want to be with anybody. Nobody could give me any words of solace that could help me. I just felt everybody's fake. No one's really just saying words like a parrot.
Yeah.
So there came a point where I just needed some help, right? I'm about to I can't handle it. So, the ayat that came to me were things like وَلَا تَقْتُلُوا أَنفُسَكُمْ إِنَّهُ كَانَ بِكُمْ رَحِيمًا. Many different, but do not kill yourselves, do not overburden yourselves, do not do that to yourselves. Allah is ever so merciful to you. And these little verses to me meant tremendous meanings. It's not, and I've read them, recited them maybe thousands of times in my life. And then وَالضُّحَى suddenly had a different meaning altogether. We've been reciting it thousands of times, but this time it was different. Inna ma'al usri yusra suddenly has a different meaning. Those same verses that you recite every day. And suddenly they just have a different effect. The Quran hits you from different corners of your inner body.